So, isa sa mga followers natin nag-ask, paano ba yung rules with regards to using bed rails dito sa United States? Okay, alam ko sa atin kasi parang wala lang to eh. Pero dito sa US, of course, may konting ruling sila gamitin ito properly. Okay, so using yung bed rails po, depende sa institution, okay? They have certain rules, but most places like sa hospitals, halos pare-pareho lang sila. I'll explain more later. Okay, let's start. Typically, makita mo yung bed talaga is may 4 na side rails. And what we normally see sa mga med-surg hospital is nakataas na agad yung dalawa. Yung nasa taas part So yun, halos lahat ng pasyente po nakataas kasi andun din yung mga remote ng mga beddings nila eh. Up, down, yung sa legs, up, down din. So andun sa upper side rails yun. So normally nakataas na yun. Okay? So ang tanong po is yung third or fourth. And normally ginagamit namin yung third or fourth usually depending sa pasyente, sa case ng pasyente. So, if hindi nyo alam po, every patient po is kailangan nyo gawin ng fall risk assessment. Meaning, ika-categorize sila either low, moderate, or high risk. Okay, you just have to answer these questions po by scoring system. Tapos sa dulo, makita mo kung ano yung score niya. Tapos doon makorelate kung low, moderate, or high risk. Tapos kanya-kanyang risk po is, of course, may intervention na kailangan gawin to prevent fall. Okay, that's usually how it is. So if nasa low level sila, usually para wala ka nang gagawin eh. Halos, like for me, isang low level kind of patient na hindi mo kailangan bantayan or ano. Kasi, I'm walkie-talkie, independent, stable yung paglakad ko. And hindi ako nakamesa or something ganon. So I'm on the low level. Pero kung nasa moderate or high risk ka, doon mag-fall in yung part intervention which is the side rails. Okay? So if yung pasyente is high risk for fall po, normally, you would like them to be at least with 3 side rails. Okay, for me, 3. Tapos, yung nilalagay na bedside rails sa kabilang side na kung saan yung open yung side rails, hindi pwede yun, guys. Technically, hindi pwede yun. Because that will fall under as a form of restraint. Okay, so ganun yun. So, dapat daw walang naka-block kahit ma-confuse sa pasyente. I think nakalagay sa mga modules na ginawa ko before yan eh. So, you really have to have one exit way. Okay? But like I said earlier, may mga factors that could play in. Alright? So basically, hindi natin dapat ilagay yung 4 na side rails. Okay? So hindi pwede 4 and maglagay na isa pang something object to block that exit way. So basically, yun yung rules guys Pero, eto yung tanong. How strict ba sila nag-implement dito? Okay? For most of my patients, yung mga confused pasyente, normally for us, lagi namin nakat yung 4 na side rails. Matik yan eh. Kahit sabihin mo na yung with regards to these rules. Pero if you're gonna think about their safety guys, halos nakataas yan. And to play it safe guys kung if ganun yung sitwasyon, and the best thing you can do is ask the family's verbal consent, tapos i-document nyo. Okay, so after nyo sabihin na pwede ko pang iakyat yung side rails na to kasi medyo high risk siya. So ilagay nyo documentation, yes. Patient's family is like willing o gusto nila nakataas yung 4 na side rails. Okay, just to help a little bit. So pa-comment down below if paano sa inyo But for us, yun yung ginagawa namin And most of mga family members, they will understand na dapat nga nakataas yung 4 na side rails. Okay, kasi it makes sense. Di ko alam kung sino gumawa ng rules na to. And it's really for their safety and for their well-being to prevent them from falling down. Okay, one side rail po can mean a lot, especially sa mga pasyente na talagang high risk for fall. Tapos aside from those side rails po, of course, kailangan nyo maglagay ng bed alarm. Okay, that's one of the main thing guys para alam nyo kung nag-try na tumatakas yung pasyente nyo. Alright? So, hope this clarifies kahit konti about yung side rails and please comment down below sa mga nasa US na kung paano ba yung ruling sa inyo. Strict ba kayo or ano ba yung implementation and kung paano ba yung totoo. Okay, so, yun lang. See you.